Chicken makes the best comfort food. So in this recipe, I'll be showing you how to make a very creamy, flavorful, delicious chicken stew, which is going to be loaded with lots of veggies like green peas, potatoes, carrots, yeah, name them all. And it's going to turn out fantastic. You'll start off by prepping up your fresh ingredients, and for the recipe, you'll need around 5 medium potatoes that you have peeled and cut in half. Also, you need 3 blended tomatoes, 1.5 cup of boiled green peas, coriander. I have 2 large carrots, crushed garlic and ginger, 1 large onion, and also you need a whole chicken for the recipe. So I'm going to get straight into cooking this delicious chicken stew recipe by placing a pot over medium flame and adding in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Wait for around 10 seconds so that the cooking oil can get hot. When your oil is ready, you're going to add in your onion. Stir in and cook the onions until they have a nice golden brown color. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt to my onions. The salt is going to drain water from the onions, hence they are going to cook down very fast. We are trying to build some flavor for this stew recipe, so browning the onions is a very nice trick. Once my onions are ready, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of garlic and a teaspoon of crushed ginger. When the kitchen is smelling incredible, you're going to add in your chicken, which is nice and clean. Cover your chicken and let it cook for around 2 minutes so that it can absorb in the nice onions, garlic, and ginger flavor. After 2 minutes, I'm going to check on my chicken, and it's perfectly searing and absorbing in the garlic and ginger. Also, it has a very nice brownish color since we browned our onions. So I'm going to be adding in a few aromatics which are going to add in lots of flavors or spices. So I have some garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper, and a chicken stock cube which is going to add in some more chicken flavor to the dish. Stir in the seasoning into the chicken. You can tell the chicken is going to be very delicious. So next you're going to add in your potatoes. Blended tomatoes, carrots, a little bit more salt, stir in, and I almost forgot adding in some tomato paste. This is a tablespoon. So the tomato paste is going to add in some more tomato flavor, and also the color of the dish is going to be fantastic. So yes, you're going to cover your pot. Let everything come to a boil, then you're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in some more salt. When my pot comes to a boil, I'll check the seasoning. Yes, I need a little bit salt, around a 1/4 teaspoon, and also I'm going to be adding in some lemon juice, which is going to bring out all the flavors in the chicken. That is around a teaspoon. Cover my pot and reduce the flame to medium-low. Simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to check on your chicken stew, which is looking so awesome. Stir in, and if you notice that your potatoes are crumbling on the edges, you're going to add in your parboiled green peas. Stir in and check the seasoning once more. Oh, so perfect. Now I'm going to be adding in some chicken cream, and I have a tablespoon. So I'm going to add in some water. And the chicken cream is going to add in lots of creaminess to the chicken stew. So I'm going to stir in until the chicken cream is fully dissolved into the water. And once it's fully dissolved, I'm going to add into my pot. Stir in, and just look how everything is looking delish. Yum. Then you're going to cover and simmer for around 2 more minutes. And this is to avoid the potatoes from overcooking. Once your chicken stew is ready, you're going to finish off with some coriander, which is going to add in color and some flavor. Put out the flames, stir in the coriander into the delicious, luscious chicken stew. Once the chicken stew is ready, it's going to be looking so good with different colors since we added in some green peas, carrots, and potatoes, which are not overcooked. The soup is thick, which makes this chicken stew perfect to serve over some rice, chapati, or even some mashed potatoes. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it's quite easy and simple to make.